This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. For decades, Rolex has been the undisputed king of the luxury watch market. Their reputation untouchable and their prices sky high. But in a plot twist worthy of a blockbuster drama, the market is flipping its script. Prices are tumbling, and opportunities are emerging in ways few could have anticipated. If you have ever dreamed of owning a luxury timepiece without emptying your wallet, now might be your chance. Stick around as we explore this fascinating shakeup and reveal insights that could forever change how you approach watch collecting in this video brought to you by the luxury world. If you have not already, do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed on our latest content and updates. Consider the iconic Rolex Daytona, known for its sleek ceramic bezel and bold black dial. Once a towering $40,000 investment, it has now dipped to around $25,000. Similarly, the Patek Philippe Aquanaut 5167A, a symbol of refined elegance, has also seen its price slashed from a jaw-dropping $100,000 to a more attainable $50,000. Even the beloved Rolex Submariner Hulk, celebrated for its striking green dial, has followed suit, dropping from $25,000 to $16,000. This is not just a random blip, it is a broader market correction that has piqued the interest of collectors and enthusiasts alike. If you have been waiting for the right moment to buy, this could be your golden opportunity. The watch market's evolution is not just about quick profits for flippers or dealers. The reality is much more intricate. Watches often change hands multiple times before landing with someone who truly values their craftsmanship and legacy. In recent years, luxury watches have been lauded as alternative investments, with media outlets like the Wall Street Journal and trendy lifestyle blogs touting them as must-haves for savvy investors. However, the allure of quick returns is not the only reason people buy watches. For many, it is about passion, a genuine love for the artistry and history each timepiece represents. Markets naturally fluctuate, but this recent shift feels more like a dramatic dive than a gentle dip. The pandemic played a significant role in reshaping the market, as inflation surged and prices rose across the board. From groceries to luxury goods, so did the value of high-end watches. Collectors, sensing an opportunity, began offloading their pieces. Some sold directly to private buyers, while others opted for quicker sales through dealers, even if it meant lower payouts. During this time, certain models became cultural icons. The Patek Philippe Nautilus 5711 made its grand exit, and staples like the Rolex Submariner and Daytona remained in high demand. Despite their perceived rarity, these models were far from scarce. Platforms online selling watches became treasure troves of available stock, turning what once felt exclusive into a luxury free-for-all. Rolex was not content to rest on its laurels. As demand surged, the brand ramped up production, even opening new facilities to meet the heightened appetite for their timepieces. After all, Rolex is in the business of selling watches, not hunting them. But as the frenzy subsided, a new challenge emerged: a flooded market. With production continuing at full speed and demand cooling, prices began to stabilize and, in many cases, decline. Collectors and dealers held firm, unwilling to sell at a loss, but the market was already shifting. The luxury watch market thrives on a delicate balance of supply and demand. As new models debut and older ones become harder to find, collector preferences shift. Nostalgia, investment potential, and a love for design all play a role in shaping market trends. The recent correction serves as a reminder that markets are cyclical. When prices soar, a pullback is often inevitable. For those who truly value their collections, this is good news. It opens the door for enthusiastic enthusiasts to acquire pieces they have long admired without competing against speculative buyers. One topic that often arises in watch circles is greed. Some critics accuse dealers and flippers of driving up prices with aggressive markups. While this can happen, the reality is more nuanced. Many transactions are driven by personal circumstances. Sellers may part with a cherished watch to weather financial hardships or fund life milestones, like a child's education. It is important to distinguish between profit-driven sales and exploitative practices. Unlike essential goods like medicine, where price hikes can have dire consequences, the stakes in luxury markets are different. Here, it is more about balancing personal value with market dynamics. Whether you are an investor or a collector, patience is key. Markets tend to self-correct over time, offering opportunities for those who wait. True collectors value the stories and craftsmanship behind each watch, seeing them as more than just financial assets. This current dip could be a turning point. For newcomers, it is an invitation to enter the world of luxury watches without the intimidating price tags of recent years. For seasoned collectors, it is a chance to diversify and enrich their collections. At its core, the luxury watch market is more than dollars and cents. Each transaction is a story, a reflection of personal journeys and passions. The market's recent turbulence highlights the ever-changing dynamics of this fascinating world. As more dealers enter the market for Rolex-certified pre-owned watches, competition is intensifying, driving prices down. Some retailers are pricing their certified pre-owned models up to 50% higher than the typical pre-owned value for the same watch. However, this aggressive pricing strategy is contributing to an overall drop in pre-owned prices, creating a self-perpetuating cycle. In the end, this trend works in favor of buyers, who stand to benefit from the more affordable options now available. The recent drop in Rolex prices can be attributed to the collapse of a speculative bubble and subsequent market corrections. An increase in supply, along with the introduction of the Rolex Certified Pre-Owned program, has played a significant role in driving prices down. Despite these fluctuations, purchasing a Rolex for personal enjoyment continues to be a wise decision. Meanwhile, Rolex is adapting its approach to meet shifting demand trends and seize growth opportunities, especially in the rapidly expanding Asian market. Younger consumers tend to be less captivated by luxury watches than previous generations, largely due to the rising popularity of smartwatches and other wearable tech. As a result, demand for Rolex watches has declined from its former heights. When deciding whether now is the right time to buy a Rolex, the answer depends on your goals. If you are purchasing for personal enjoyment, there is no bad time to invest in a Rolex. These timepieces have a proven track record of holding their value, and short-term market trends should not dissuade you. However, if your primary motivation is to turn a quick profit, buying a Rolex purely as an investment may not be wise given the market's inherent unpredictability. There you have it, a comprehensive look at the evolving landscape of the luxury watch market. Rolex, long revered as the unshakable titan of fine timepieces, is now navigating a dynamic and transformative era. This period of change has opened doors that were once firmly closed, presenting a unique moment for collectors and enthusiasts alike. For seasoned collectors, these shifts bring new opportunities to expand their collections with iconic models that may have once felt out of reach. It is a chance to acquire those long-coveted pieces at more accessible prices, enriching a collection not just with watches, but with the stories and craftsmanship each one represents. For newcomers to the world of luxury watches, this is an ideal time to step in. The barriers of entry have softened, allowing enthusiasts to own a piece of horological history without the financial strain that was once a given. Whether it is a classic Submariner, a sleek Daytona, or any other timeless model, the current market is more welcoming than ever. Ultimately, the luxury watch market's evolution is more than just a financial story. It is a testament to the enduring allure of fine craftsmanship and design. The opportunity to own a Rolex today is not just about taking advantage of lower prices. It is about becoming part of a legacy that transcends time. What are your thoughts on the reason behind the Rolex prices we shared in this video? If you enjoyed the video, we would appreciate it if you let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to follow our channel for more content. Thank you for watching The Luxury World, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.